Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to read iMessage on iPhone without opening the conversation or without seeing. First of all, the first way is open your iPhone controls and notification panel, and here you will see the iMessage. From here you will be able to see the iMessage without opening the conversation, but here you won't be able to see the full message. You only able to see only 1 or 3 lines. And the second method to read any iMessage without opening the conversation is go to your message app, and now all you have to need, tap and hold on the iMessage chat, and this will pop up the entire conversation like this. And here, as you can see, I can read the last message of this conversation without opening. As you can see, this message is still an unread message, but I can read the entire conversation by hard pressing on the chat. So this is how we can read iMessage without opening on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.